record this video for my own purposes, to be honest, because I know y'all be seeing me in the same thing like almost every day, but this is my favorite sweater, my favorite hoodie. But anywho, today is January 17th, 2023, and my car is like completely messed up. It won't go over 40 miles per hour at all. So right now I'm trying to drive to like a car dealership to see about getting the car. See, like right now it's just kicking on 20 miles per hour, and nowhere. Like, I have my hazards on and everything, but it is what it is. Like, I can't go any faster than this, and then it takes a while for it to get to 40 miles per hour, a little under 40 miles per hour. Yeah, but these are the struggles of being a single mom with one income. I had to call off at my job today. I had to call off on Martin Luther King's Day because my babysitter was unable to watch my kids. So yeah, and that's the reason why I haven't been on my third channel. Partially is because I cannot keep a steady job under my circumstances. But yeah, I'm trying to put it to this car dealership. Hopefully, because they're having like this little sale, and so far it sounds intriguing because I really need to get rid of this car. This car is pretty much telling me like, you know, this is it. This is my last leg. Hopefully this car can make it all the way there. I'm really nervous about it. I'm really nervous. Like, I don't know if you can tell on my face, but I am so nervous to be driving this car. I just dropped off my kids at daycare, my two younger kids, and my oldest will be getting picked up by the daycare at school in order for me to do these things. But I want to go to work. Don't get me wrong, I want to go to work. So if I'm able to get a car, I will go ahead and go to work and, you know, try to make up for some lost time or whatever, or try not to scratch what I just said, try not to miss a full whole day or whatnot. But yeah, so this car is behind me, and it's like really nerve-wracking because y'all see my hazards on, and y'all can definitely like go around. Like, this is annoying, very annoying. But I try to like I'm trying to like make it there as fast as I can, on top of trying my best to like slow down. I mean, not slow down, but like take my time with getting there, because this is crazy. I have to keep my hazards on, and then when I make a turn, I will turn my hazards off and show my turn signal. Yeah, but I also wanted to address the issue about me being a single mom, and some people are saying like, oh, how are you a single mom and you have a boyfriend? Well, to make long story short, yes, I have a boyfriend, but at the same token, he is not in a position where he lives in my household. He's not in a position where he is, yeah, so too much info, but he's just not in a position right now. So yeah, I am a single mom doing this all on my own. I am the breadwinner of my household. I don't have a guy to help take care of me at this point in time. So that's to address the whole issue that people were commenting under my comments when they see my videos. I'm not just saying, oh, I'm a single mom, just to say it. I'm not saying that just to say it. I'm literally a single mom either way it go, relationship or not. I'm not married, but I am in a relationship, but it's not where we are stable financially. So yeah, but yeah, I'm finna go ahead and look up this car lot thing and see how I get there, because I don't know for sure how to get there without my Google. Google is my best friend, okay? So I'm gonna be right back. Yeah, this is, wait, let me fix my camera. This is so crazy. Like, my car is really like driving so freaking slow. Like, everybody is passing me up. People are getting behind me knowing that they see my hazards on, and it's just making me nervous. Like, just don't get behind me at all. Yeah, these are like the worst times. Like, I am so embarrassed. Like, I'm embarrassed, but at the same token, I'm trying to maintain myself. I'm trying to maintain myself and keep myself, let me get over. I'm sorry. I gotta get over. I'm trying to maintain myself or whatnot because, for the simple facts, well, you was driving slow, so I had to get in front of you. And I wasn't finna stop my car to get over. I mean, to wait until he sped up. But yeah, I'm trying to maintain and, you know, stay focused, and not let things get to me as much. I'm trying my best. I'm only human. Yeah. Alright, I made it here, so I'm gonna go ahead and see about a car. So it has been like a few days since the last time y'all saw me, and I have a new car. This car is like really small. It's smaller than my truck, but it's okay. Like, it's still new. It's still nice. It ain't what I wanted, but it's something for now. But yeah, so I might end up later on within the year to get I get the car that I actually want. It's like an SUV or whatnot. But for now, I'm okay. Like, I don't even remember what I really recorded in the last clip, but it's been quite a few days. Quite a few days since then. But I've been driving this around for a while. I like it. It's fast, but it's not what I want. But it's okay for me. I just wanted to give y'all a little update on what's going on. They want to make comments, right? To get something to eat, which is, of course, and then I want to get tents in here because it's just too much showing now. Like, for real, like, look, like, they can see everything. Like, in my old truck, they couldn't see.
I know. Yeah, I told you that. You thought it was a joke, huh?
But in the camera,
it looks so crystal.
Yes,
crystal
like, you can
clear.
see exactly where I am. But yeah, we're gonna get those. But he's gonna get them. I'm not getting them. He's gonna get them since he knows what he's doing with that. You know what you want to eat?
Is this it?
Yeah, why you keep putting it in?
Good, I had to do it. Yeah. Hold on.
I put that you was a 2008.
2000.
You know how we do
Yeah, see, no more glitter bombs.
that.
Why you act like you don't want social security number? I know you do. Just don't act like that. Because I know that you know it. I know you do. I know you do.
$5 loaded mac and cheese bowls.
Who said that? No. They keep saying this. I guess it ain't meant for me to have that, huh? I'm trying to come up like everybody else. You know what I'm saying? I'm trying to come up. It was a blessing from God. Okay? Look at that beautiful girl right there. Damn, Gabby.
Wow, Gabby, yeah, you funny as hell.
Gabby was on my screen. I'm sorry.
Gabriella McKay.
That's
You
right.
call her Gabby?
We call her
Do
Gabby.
you remember our rewards program?
Yes, I am, but I don't have a code at this moment in time. Do you know what you want?
Same thing I got yesterday.
What you get
A
yesterday?
McGriddle with 2 hash browns.
You know I went with you yesterday.
You dropped me off yesterday. Yes, you did. You dropped me off yesterday morning?
Yeah, but what I get you? Anywho, can I get the number 3 with the Oh, y'all don't. Do y'all still have the peppermint mochas? I mean, is it mocha?
Yeah, we got that.
I'm sorry. Let me get a large iced vanilla latte.
You okay back there, mama?
And is the peppermint liquid, like liquid sugar?
It's a syrup. It's chocolate and peppermint together.
Who's up in my car? 'Cause my seat's over there.
Let me just go ahead and get the large iced vanilla latte with 3 sugars. Can I also have a sausage patty, 1 hash brown, and a small orange juice?
Hash brown, small orange juice.
And
It says the
you
orange
want the
juice
number
is
6?
unavailable.
I won't. Is that a McGriddle?
Apple juice, please. Sausage or bacon?
A sausage, egg, and cheese McGriddle.
Can I get the number 6 meal?
Now wait a second. You said
Oh.
apple juice, hash brown. What else did you say?
A sausage patty.
Sausage patty.
Yes.
Okay.
And then can I get number 6 meal with what kind of drink you want, babe? Because they don't have orange juice.
Damn, I got an orange juice?
No.
Give me apple juice.
Huh?
Apple juice.
You know it's a juice box.
Oh, Lord. What type of juice they got?
They got sweet tea. They got pops.
What is it? Give me a Sprite.
Can I get a Sprite, large?
Yeah.
A large Sprite? And can you add a lemon to it?
Okay.
And that's it.
That will be $18.99. Next one. Thank you.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Oh, back to recording?
Yes.
Okay. You say you trying to get some footage today, huh?
Yes.
Yeah.
That's kind of some of what I wanted.
No,
like
that's-
a bigger.
No, that's not it. That's not it. That's
I wasn't talking like exactly, but yeah, you know what I want.
Don't forget to cash at me before I get out this car either.
What am I cash apping
I
you?
don't know. I need some money so I can pay these fees down. I'm dead ass.
What am I cash apping you? Cause you the only one that can look at your fees, not me.
Right. I owe them 13. I'm trying to at least pay like $1. So I can.
So you ain't got $1 on your cash app? You literally spit
Babe,
down to the cent.
Babe, no. When I say dollar, I mean $100, not a single dollar bill with George Washington face on there.
So, why do you need $100 to pay?
Because once I pay right now, my fees are going to just add up, and I don't want them to just add up on me.
But you told me last time that they wouldn't let you put more.
Once I talk to Adam today, I will be able to put more because he's going to take me off CIP today. That's why the time frame that we left, I didn't.
But when we was leaving, you said you finna see if Adam is going to take you off CIP. Now you saying that he is going to take you off CIP.
No, because when I said see, I didn't talk to him yesterday. I slept all day yesterday. You see what I'm saying? I slept, so I didn't get to talk to him. I need him and my case manager to co-ed and approve.
So he's not going to do it. You have to ask him first.
No, I don't have to ask him anything. I need to see not what all do I need to get off CIP. I just need him and my case manager both to take me off of CIP, all in total as one. But until I talk to them, it's not going to happen. And I'm trying to talk to them like this morning. What's wrong? What's wrong? What you pointing at? You want your food? I see you still looking up.
He likes to talk around in circles. Like, that's what he likes to do. And it's very annoying.
Are you talking to the camera about me right
because
now?
it's like a hide and seek type thing. Like, who's it? Who's going to be it? And he likes to run around for a long ass time.
Okay. Guys, you want me to take what she do, guys?
So, okay.
I bet you she's like, yeah, what she be doing? Hold on, Dada. Okay? You better not drop this on this floor either, okay? Stab you with this fork. I mean, we used to do this every day last year. Stop by there.
Broke his tail.
Nah, last year we broke his tail.
That's what.
Talking in circles again.
But I need a planner for my YouTubes so I can know when I posted something, what I need to edit and things like that, because trying to remember all this shit all in my head and still have a life.
Right. It ain't working, huh?
Woo.
You seen that guy just did that?
Mm-hmm.
I would have smacked the fuck out of his ass. Literally.
Well, he literally is driving slow. Is it hot?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I hear how you crunching on it.
It's so good though.
I need to wash your face. Yeah.
Is it good? I told my supervisor.
But you're not late if it's not your regular work day.
Right. That's why I didn't count it as late, and I still just walked my happy ass up out just to go to work.
Oh, I gotta bring my Can you put my cup? My Is this garbage? This garbage?
No, your sandwich is still in there.
This garbage.
I asked you, did you want that damn sandwich? You just told me, yeah.
I ain't finna eat that, baby.
You should have gave it to me while it was still hot.
Well, you can eat it while it's still cold.
No, I don't want to eat it while it's cold. It's cold. What the hell?
Oh, I gotta go to the hospital and get that
Letter too.
Yeah, that's why I should have took you so the kids wouldn't be sitting in the car.
Damn.
All right.
Love you.
Love you. No, get in the front.
Bye.
Carson said bye. Yes. Bank First near Walmart.